researches here and there I'm missing, but I don't think I'm missing anything super essential. So if I want to unlock more researches, do I just have to go insane, or are there certain things that I need to be scanning?
Did you scan the book? What the?
Yeah, the Crimson Rites, that's what unlocked the Eldritch Tray for me.
Right, then have you found an eye?
An eye?
I'm going to assume that means you haven't because you don't know what I'm talking about.
I don't think so. Right. I found, like, all of these altars, but I haven't found, like, any kind of, like, eye item or anything like that.
Because that's the only thing I can think of, but you might just have to go more crazy. This cure effect is not helping the game.
Is that something that I can get by killing Crimson Cultists, or...?
They drop them sometimes.
They drop them sometimes, but what?
They drop them sometimes. I think there might be something else that drops them. I don't know, but that is really the only thing I can think of at this point.
No, only Eldritch Horrors drop them.
Oh, okay. Then that's my beat.
You need to kill the really big bad stuff. Okay.
I'm pretty sure you have to go crazy in order to kill those, though, or in order to see those at all.
No, those
I'm thinking it's something
obelisks.
else.
Yes, you are.
You mean like those Eldritch Guardians that I've seen sometimes at those dark altars?
Oh yeah, you gotta murder them.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen a couple of them around. They're not that hard to deal with as long as you stun-lock them.
Sometimes they just flat cast spells on you. That's never fun.
Oh yeah, you can. That's silly. Who needs to?
But I should be fine with my enchanted thaumium armor, right?
Yeah. Probably.
Also, in case anybody's watching the stream, I am watching the chat.
Yes.
I had to mute.
Oh yeah, that is entirely okay. You don't have to. You're in the call with me on Discord, so you absolutely don't have to have the audio of the stream. It's finding it by
absolutely.
There's nothing that you really need the audio for.
Actually, you know what I could probably do?
Does it involve bees?
Bee.
Alright. I actually forget what this... You know what? I'm gonna go look that up first.
It involves me muting the both of you, and then turning on the Twitch.
There might be a weird delay if you do that, and you'll also have to remember to, I guess 2 words.
Yeah, the Twitch stream is going to be significantly behind, so you're gonna hear what we're saying like 20 seconds after we've already...
Yeah, there's like an 8-second delay. It's great.
It's amazing, isn't it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm also loud as fuck, holy shit.
Not what I was expecting, but that works.
I suppose that yeah. Oh jeez.
Like seriously, turn me down.
No! Maybe? I don't know, hold on. I have you at 100, I have him at 100. Is Adam loud? Because I have you both at the same volume on Discord.
Huh.
No, Adam is normal.
Okay, well
That's
then,
really weird.
well then it's not a problem on my end because I have both of you at 100% equal volumes on Discord. And if Adam's not loud, then it's not that OBS is outputting Discord way too loud. It's that you're out inputting into your computer too loud.
Wow.
Does Talia sound louder than me to
Slightly,
you, Joel?
but I never really cared. I don't have enough bombs to look for this screw. Do I have enough bombs? Wouldn't you... What am I doing? No, I don't have enough bombs. Let's go. I don't even know what I just picked up. I'm gonna scan it.
You know, if that's as loud as I sound to you, how the fuck do you miss when I'm talking?
I miss sometimes when Adam's talking too. It's because my brain is stupid. What's in this room? Money!
So welcome to the Binding of Isaac Afterbirth stream where we talk about Minecraft.
Yep.
Specifically Thaumcraft.
Yeah, so how are you, Mr. the Alex Action Man in the chats? That the stream cannot see.
Where we talk about Minecraft and...
Minecraft and?
Finish your thought. Oh, actually, pick up. There we go. Oh.
There's also the 8-second delay on my voice.
There is. Is there really any audio that you need to be able to hear from Binding of Isaac Afterbirth? Because...
Yeah, that doesn't necessarily seem worth it.
Yeah.
Yes, because it's a fun fucking sounding game.
This is true. There we go. Now my windows are arranged the way I need them to be. Here, have a coin.
It's all about that fucking ambience.
Here, have a bomb. Ooh, a pill. What's this pill do? I'll find out. Bombs are
yeah.
key. So I forget what the use item is called, but I'm gonna call it the placebo. It just copies your pill effect, and it's a 4-room recharge. There. Yeah, good. Nope. None of you can fool me. None of you shall escape my wrath.
So on the subject of the binding of Isaac Afterbirth, in Thaumcraft,
Good job.
That is not at all related to fucking Binding of Isaac.
ISIS?
Yes.
Will Eldritch Guardians like sometimes spawn near an obelisk, or do I actually have to find an obelisk I haven't already been to?
That's a question for Talia, so you'll get the answer in about 16 seconds.
Yes, they spawn near an obelisk.
Okay.
Funny.
I'm going to take a guess that they only or are at least much more likely to spawn at night.
Almost certainly, kind of, probably, maybe.
More likely, but they could spawn at any time.
Ah, okay.
Nah. No, stop not being
that,
a fire.
Yep, that looks like Taint.
Okay. Onwards! Okay. Don't pop the poops. Dang it! You weren't supposed to pop that poops there! Stupid enemies being able to pop poops. I mean, I needed that poops, but I wanted to wait until after I finished killing these guys, just in case I, took more damage. But no, it's okay. What's in here? A jar of flies.
Oh, jeez.
I sure enjoy this version of the gear effects when my range becomes no.
This area is much too purple. I don't like it.
It seems reasonable.
I'm sure you'd love it though, Jedi. After all, you like purple things,
Purple
right?
is a good reason to hate any sort of area.
Okay. I'm gonna need to look at the item for this one. Okay, 20. Perfect. That jar of flies is gonna serve me well later.
That and pink and orange.
What even is that item on that pedal on sale there? So what is this? A familiar baby that drops battery packs. Don't care.
Oh, oops. That's bad.
Yeah. Why? Wait, what? Wait, it's supposed to be items here. It's supposed to sell my soul, dang it! Sort of.
Why are you selling your soul? What?
Devil rooms. They normally
Oh,
have
right,
items
yeah.
in them that you use heart containers for, but then you get good things. Why are my windows all screwball? There we go.
Good question. Where are all the items?
This is a challenge run, so there aren't any items.
Whew.